Let's start by creating HTML. So just create index.html. So this is VS Code. Type in HTML5 and you will have this boilerplate of the HTML5. Save, then we'll just create another file which is main.js, which is our JavaScript. So I'll just go here and include that before the body tag. So script src main.js. So to test this out, just try to console.log and then testing JavaScript. Okay, then we'll try to run it using live server, and of course it loads up. Once we inspect element, you will see this testing JavaScript console log. So now we're going to show you what is the difference between let and of course const. So for let, let's say let name is equals to Sukian. So for let, let's go first for let. So let is a constant name in JavaScript wherein we can set a variable that holds this string. So let's say we will console.log name, and then just save and preview. Okay, let me reduce the screen. So console.log name, and you will see that we have here the name. So for let's say we are going to change this name is equal to hello world. Now the new value of name is not Kazukian, so it's now hello world. So we'll try to console.log name, save, and you will see that the value change. Now let's go for the constant. So for constant, let's say we'll try to change this one from let to const, which stands for constant. Okay, for that, if we save that one now, you can see here encode error, which is assignment to constant variable at main. And when you click that one, you will see that this const name is not mutable, or you say you cannot change the value of name or reassign the value Kazukian to another string. So that's the difference between const and let. So mostly if you don't want your variable to change, I suggest you to use const, but if you are expecting to change that value, then let is your solution. But in most cases, to avoid any issues, const is the suggested one, so I often use this one. So that is the difference between const and let. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a good one. Let's see you for the next video. Bye.